I want to find the highest sales amount by products. At the beginning, I will create sequence number for each separate product. So I'll write comma to create a new column. I will use the window function over partition by products. This partition by will split the dataset into groups. I mean for each product. Now I will use order by and the column name will be sales amount. First, this dataset will be split into separate group by products, and then in each product the sales amount will be sorted in descending order. So I'll write descending. If I execute this, you can see I have serial number for each separate product and the sales amount is in the descending order. Now I will take the first row, I mean the first record for each product. Now I will make this query a subquery. Again, I will write select asterisk from. If I run this, I will have the same result. Now I will use where statement to get the first record. I will give a column name. Now I will use where ranking is equal to 1. If I execute this, now I have the highest sales amount for each separate product. I can exclude this ranking column. So I have to write the column name. I will copy the column name from Excel sheet and press it here. I will just write comma. Now I will run this. Ranking column is gone. I have only the 4 columns.